Alright, welcome to Theory Thursdays. Today we are going to be talking about a little topic in the subject of chemistry. Alright, one of the most vital things you need to know how to do in order to get your chemistry work done well is how to write correct chemical formulae. Alright, so to do this, we're going to use a little technique that I like to call Crossy. Alright, let's start with something simple. Something like sodium chloride, which we all kind of know already. So sodium chloride, of course, is NaCl, but how do we know that the formula for sodium chloride is NaCl? Well, we have to start simple and break it down into ions. So here we go. We know that sodium is in group 1, so you have Na plus. Chlorine or chloride will be in group 7, so you're going to have a charge of Cl minus. And then the next thing you want to do is to perform your Crossy. So you're going to bring that charge down there, and you're going to bring this charge over there, ending up with Na1, Cl1, and of course you're going to just cancel those out, so your formula will be sodium chloride. Let's look at another one, take it up a notch. So here we have potassium sulfide. So of course our charge on potassium, K plus, positive 1 being in group 1, and sulfide being in group 6 has a charge of 2 minus. We're going to work our magic, perform our little crossy, bring down the 2, bring that positive 1 over there, and we'll end up with a nice K2S for our potassium sulfide formula. Taking it up one more notch now, okay? We're going to deal with a little complex ion. So we're doing aluminum sulfate. We know that aluminum being in group 3 has a charge of positive 3. And sulfate, you just have to know your common ions, which we'll talk about a little later. Alright, so sulfate has a charge on a whole of SO4 2 minus for this entire ion. Okay, you have to remember that that 2 minus charge applies to the entire complex ion. Perform your crossy again. Easily bring down that 3, bring 2 down over here, and then we have to be very careful to write this. So we know that the Al now has a 2 beside it, and this entire ion, SO4, the sulfate, is going to have a 3. And there you have it, crossy. Now, one thing that's very helpful, as I said, is to keep in mind certain common ions that you should know by heart. Alright? And these will include phosphate, sulfate, hydroxide, carbonate, acetate, a few others like that. Check out the list and make sure that you know them. Get there.